Cool, good day. Today I'm going to be discussing chapter 24, get next page results, searching by title. So basically in this chapter we just covering this current search mode state variable that is manipulated by this function set current search mode. So search mode is basically referring to like the mode of searching, like whether it's searching to find a movie by the title or searching a movie by using find by rating. Let's have a look at how that works. So basically the goal of it is to make pagination easier by viewing all the movies with the get all mode, searching by title, which is a different search mode, and then searching by rating. Then when you search movies by title, it will take you to the next page, right? And will show you the movies that you get after you search the specific title. Same with rating when you search by rating. But if you just browsing through the movies and go to the next page, the get all method is called. Okay, let's have a look at how that works in the front end. So, this. So basically when you're searching by the title, so for instance when you search by the title, what happens is we're basically getting let me first log in. Why is this not showing movies? Let's see. Refresh. Okay, cool. There. So basically, we have all these movies over here. So when we search by title, basically, it'll basically filter out all the movies and bring basically the movies based off this search mode, right? Based off the search by title or find by title mode, because I searched this in the find by title. So it goes to the next page, page 1, and it shows these movies based off this search, right? So if I search by rating alone and search by rating, it will show movies based off this search mode, find by rating. If I don't use any of these search modes and I just click the next page, right, then it brings the next 20 movies, which is using the get all method. So let's have a look. So firstly we have this current search mode variable, and basically the state of data is changed by set current search mode. The state of data will basically either be find by title or find by rating, as you can see here, or it will, if it's an empty string which has no current search mode, then that means we're just gonna retrieve all the movies. So let's look at the user effect over here. Over here, this user effect allows this method to run once only, but it's triggered by something else. So whenever the user switches to a different search mode, it resets to page 0. So when current search mode changes, so let's say current search mode was first searched by title, but it changes to basically to another search mode, searching by rating, then the set current page function changes the state of data of current page to 0. That's where this user effect comes in, where the current page is changed then this retrieve next page method is called. Retrieve next page is basically retrieving the next page based off the search mode. So as you can see here, we have this if statement saying if current search mode is equal to find by title, then we call the find by title method. So if the current search mode is finding by title, and we basically here searching over here and we search, then basically the search mode changes to find by title, and we basically call that find by title method. Same with find by rating over here. If none of these are true, then this retrieve movies method is called. Retrieve movies is basically if there is an account search mode state of data. That means it just changes to the next page and it retrieves the next 20 movies on that page. So then we have this find method over here. Basically, this find method, it passes the page number when searching. So it uses find method from movie data service, which is here, and that's obviously making a get request to this API endpoint over here. So yeah, that's what that does. And then we have the find by title method. This is the actual method where you when the search mode is find by title, right? This method is called, and basically what it does is it has set current search mode, which changes it to find by title, and then it uses the find method to find that movie by the title. Same with find by rating, works the same. So yeah, that's basically how the current search mode works in this application to retrieve movies.